Okay, now we will create the bar chart for the positive value. So we will choose here insert, and then from the charts we select a 2dB chart. Then we press on the right mouse key, then select data, add, and the first step is the positive value. And we select it from the G9 until G14. Okay. Then we will add the maximum value. Here it is in cell E9. And we add the minimum value. Here it is in cell E10. Click on OK and OK. So then we will mark the horizontal axis major grid lines and we will delete it. And we also delete the horizontal value axis. And then we make a double click here on the vertical axis. Then a new window will open. And we mark here categories in reverse order. Go down and here at labels and label position we select none, and you see we have no numbers here. Then we will choose the bucket, then solid line. We will select a black color and 2.5 for the vertical line. Then we close the window. Then we will make a double click here on the max bar chart on the bucket and we say no fill. And we go to series options and series overlap, go to 100% and gap width, let's say 66%. Okay. Then we will make a double click on the minimum bar chart and here we select the bucket and also no fill. Then for our positive value bar chart, we will choose a dark green color. I would recommend, like here, you should use that one. Okay. Then we will click on the chart and we will select Arial because it looks much better in the graphic, and 1 point more to 11. So then we will mark our positive value bar chart, go to chart design and here on the button add chart element and data labels and we say outside end. So and here you see we have 0, 0, 0. So in this case we will make a double click on the values and a new window will open. Go down to a number and here we will choose a category custom and then we use this type here for the format code. So the squared bracket open equals 0, squared bracket close, and then the quotation marks and then the semicolon plus 0. So with this format code 0 will show as none. Then we will click on that and here we have only plus 17 and plus 4 but no 0. And if we change the value, just for example here for t-shirts from 59 to 78, then you see we have here the positive value in this case. Then we will mark the inside frame and will maximize it. Then we make a double click on the chart, and for the borderline we select solid line and a black color. So now we are finished for the positive value. In the next video we will create the bar chart for the negative values.